Okay, hello. This is the cable that I got from you guys like 2 weeks ago. Uh, Look, as you see, it's completely new. It doesn't show like a malfunction or something. And I've got this one that I got it from you. But yeah, this one has been like used by like maybe 1 year or 2 years, so it's acceptable that is like in this situation. But well, like this one was the new. So well, the old one, it does charge. Look. There you have it. It is charging. But well, this one's the good. Now let's try with the one that is having trouble. So yeah, as you see, and nothing happens. It's not charging. Like, it doesn't matter like if it's from this side or from the other side, and it's not the cube, because check, you're gonna plug this and then this, and it is charging. But this one is not charging. And yeah, like, I've been with this cable like for 2 weeks, and as you see, it's even like well treated. So yeah, I don't know.